Okay. Oh.
I'm good. Court does call the case of the people versus Trayvon G.
That was Mr. Gu.
He's in Zoom.
Yeah, he's been signing in and out. He's not currently connected to audio.
Mr. G. He's not connected to audio. I don't know if he can hear me.
No, I can send the chat.
Okay, send him a chat message. I'll pass this one. See if we can get him done. Court calls the cases of the people versus Devontae Johnson, 2 cases.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf.
Devontae Johnson.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Johnson, Your Honor.
See here.
We do not have it.
He is not checked in. Have any knowledge as to his whereabouts?
No, Your Honor, I've left several messages trying to get in touch with him, but he wasn't available.
Bench warrants will issue for the defendant's failure to appear in these cases. Bond in each case will be set in the amount of 10,000, 10% privilege given. Those warrants will issue immediately. Court does call the case people versus Lerone Kelsey.
Ron Brown
Hello,
appearing
Your
on
Honor.
behalf of Mr. Kelsey.
Hello. State your name, sir.
Ron Kelsey, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, Mr. Kelsey is in treatment. We are seeking an adjournment to obtain a memo of understanding for his case in 36th District Court. He's being supervised, I believe, by a specialty court there.
Okay. So go ahead.
Chris Clare on behalf of probation. Your Honor, it's my understanding that Mr. Kelsey was seeking to have this case transferred over to 36th District Court to be supervised because he is participating in specialty court. I know that Ms. Pirney prior was working to get that documentation. I have received proof that he is in treatment, and the last documentation that I received from Mr. Brown is that they need another signature on the MOU before that's completed from the transferring court, I believe. Is that right, Mr. Brown?
That is correct.
Either from me or from Judge Fresh. How are you in?
No, from the transferring court, I believe, from 36th.
I think that they need to sign it to say that he's been accepted or.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, we need, right. Okay, I got it. That makes sense.
Yeah, so given that, Your Honor, I would just ask that we adjourn the sentencing to February 11th, to allow time to get that paperwork here.
Adjourned over February 11th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Can he appear by Zoom if he's in treatment?
If he's in treatment, he may.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello. Court calls the case, people versus Lindsay Colo.
Hi, Judge.
Hello, how are you?
Nice. I am so good. I hope you're doing all right. It's nice to see you.
I'm doing wonderful. Thank you for asking.
Ron Brown
Good.
appearing on behalf of Lindsay Kohler, Your Honor. I spoke with her this morning. I've shared the recommendation with her. We have no challenges, and we'd ask the court to adopt the recommendation.
All right. Ms. Kohler, anything you'd like to tell the court before I impose sentence?
I just want to tell you some good news. The Monday after our last meeting, I decided to stop smoking marijuana, and I thought you'd be happy to hear that.
I am happy to hear that. You're gonna,
Yeah.
are you just gonna stop that, or are you gonna stop all substances of any type?
So actually, another good big news, I'm also over 160 days sober off of alcohol.
Oh, God bless you.
I know. Thank you so much for being there for me.
You would never have thought you would have made it that far, right?
No, and I can't wait to taste the 365 days. Just to say 160 is huge, but to say 365, oh.
Yes, And I'll tell you what, you're looking forward to that, but also for yourself, considering where you've been, make sure that each day, every day, so 361 come tomorrow, or is that right? 361 and 366. You make sure you understand that that's just as special.
Absolutely. Every day. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This court does acknowledge this is not a serious misdemeanor as defined by statute. However, it does believe there are reasonable grounds to depart from the presumption of a non-probationary sentence. The alcohol screening and assessment identifies the benefit of intensive outpatient treatment, attendance at AA meetings, and abstinence from all intoxicants. Therefore, the court will follow the recommendation of probation for a probationary sentence with the stated rehabilitative goals to promote change, prevent recidivism, and to monitor compliance of recommended treatment. It's therefore the sentence of the court. I'm going to place you on probation for a period of 12 months. You're to pay $855 fines and costs, $100 prosecution recovery costs, $100 police agency recovery costs, $360 probation oversight fees. When can you get that paid, young lady?
I would like to have it paid off as soon as possible, sir. Hopefully even before 6 months.
Okay, are you working?
I am, but I just started, and so money's a little slow right now. I'm not very stable quite yet, but things are definitely picking up, sir.
All right, here's what we'll do.
Oh, I think I should request a payment plan, I believe.
Yes, okay, here's
Okay.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have a payment plan as arranged by probation. Ms. Polero, what I'm gonna also do, because I appreciate your enthusiasm for your sobriety and also following all the recommendations of the court. So for each additional month from today's date that she is sober, we'll reduce the fines and costs by $50 for each
Oh.
month.
That is so special. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's my way of saying I'm really proud of you.
I'm so
Okay.
excited. It feels really good, you guys. Just do it. Just choose sobriety, okay?
There should be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You are to complete an intensive outpatient treatment, including all recommended aftercare with status reports to probation. You're to attend 90 AA meetings in 90 days and then 2 AA meetings per week thereafter. You're to provide proof of the victim's impact panel attendance to probation. I'll continue the sober link for an additional 30 days in lieu of 4 days in jail. I'll order 93 days in jail, credit 1. The balance is suspended. All right. Lindsay, you take care of yourself. All right.
Many blessings. Absolutely.
All right. And when
Thank
you get to that 365, because I probably won't see you at that time, just drop this old judge a note and let me know that you got there. Okay.
110%, sir. I can't wait.
All right. You take care.
Thank you. Stay warm out there, you guys.
Yeah, we'll try. Court calls the case, People versus Rodney Lilly.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Rodney Lilly.
You got him or no? You got him?
Rodney Lilly.
Oh, there he is. All right, go ahead, Mr.
Your Honor, I've shared the recommendation with him. Your Honor, he's on a fixed income where he only receives a monthly check. After his bills are paid, he says he can pay $75 per month if permitted by the.
So Lily, anything you want to say
No, sir.
All right. Sentence of the court, $400 fines and court costs that to be paid at $75 per month beginning the month of March. I'll order 90 days in jail that is suspended. All right? Thank you,
Thank you. I
sir.
appreciate you.
Thank you. Court does call the case of People versus Jason. Is it Olson?
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Olson, Your Honor. Please state your name.
Jason Olson.
Your Honor, I've shared the recommendation with him. He can pay fines and court costs today in full. Your Honor, he is either enrolled or will enroll in the gun safety class.
Yeah, I'm just looking for the course recommendations for gun safety courses.
And as it relates to the firearm, the Smith and Wesson, Your Honor, he indicates that it is not his weapon and that the bill of sale or proof of ownership is inside the weapon holster and that it was seized by the police and it remains in their custody. So it's not his weapon.
Whose weapon is it?
It's my stepfather's, and I'm unaware if he had it put in his name previously. It's my uncle's who's in hospice. He gave it away as an inheritance. So that's the only reason why I asked, because it's either going to be a family heirloom that we're forfeiting or, a gun either way.
But it's not to him.
It's not mine,
Right, but I think I still, given the charge, have to order forfeiture of the weapon.
which isn't, I just want to make sure I'm doing my due diligence for my stepfather, so.
And Your Honor, I just wanted to indicate, I believe that was part of the plea agreement.
Yes,
I just want to make sure.
Statute.
yes. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Sentence of the court, 6 months prosecutor deferred sentence. You're to pay $555 fines and costs, $180 probation oversight fees. You can pay that today. That is to be paid today. No use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to complete a gun safety class as directed by probation. Do not possess any weapons, firearms, ammunition, or anything fashioned to be a weapon. I will order forfeiture to Smith and Wesson, model 39-2 with the serial number contained in the file. I will order a review hearing. That's to be held July 22nd, 2026 at 12 p.m. I'll order 90 days in jail that is suspended. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Court does call the case, People versus Dave Marcel Bass.
Torres Feaster, first assistant public defender, on behalf of Dave Marcel Bass, who's standing to my right at the podium. Please state your name.
L. Marcel Bass.
All right.
Thank you, Judge. I believe this is a show cause for Mr. Bass. My understanding is that it looks like he owes
He
about
was
three.
supposed to pay me money
Yes, Judge.
in May.
Looks like he's made a payment
He
today.
said he would pay me in May. I gave him till May 31st,
Yes, Judge.
2025.
Yes, Judge.
What's today?
Past that, Judge.
Why,
So, Mr.
where's
Bass,
the money?
he paid some of it today. Not a
How
lot.
much of it?
He paid $25 today, Judge. He he is not currently employed. He's received his unemployment check today. He paid 25 to you. He was hoping to pay
Oh,
25.
the unemployment check was larger than that.
It was, Judge. It was, Judge. He's hoping to pay 25 to you today, which he paid already.
Hold it. See, Tricia thinks he's just gonna fast talk.
Yes, Judge.
This is him.
I'm going to tell
He
you the
just
whole
started
story.
to talk. I say something, he just starts talking.
I'm going to tell you the whole story, Judge.
Oh, the whole story, all right.
So,
I got time.
from my knowledge, he received his unemployment check today. He owes this court money. He
Yes.
also owes 14A2 money. He paid $25 before he came to the courtroom today here. He wants to pay $25 to 14A2 when he leaves.
So I can't even have the 50.
He would hope not, Judge. He will if you make him. He wants to
See,
pay Judge
this is what I'm
Barr.
talking about.
He'd like to stay on good terms
Yeah,
with Judge
what?
as well, Judge.
He like to do what?
Stay on good terms with Judge Barr as well. So he wants to pay you
So
both.
he thinks Judge Barr is more important than me?
It's an even split, Judge.
It's even.
25-25, Judge. He could do 35, 15, if that might please the court.
Why can't I have the whole 50?
Because then Judge Farr might be upset, Judge, and he may be in jail and then not able to pay you the next payment he wants to pay you, Judge.
That doesn't sound like my problem.
Either way, he says he will receive another
Well,
payment.
So how often is he gonna pay me? Is that to bring him back to court each time and I get 25 of the 50 he has?
No, he guarantees me he'll pay you out of his next check $100 on February 9th. So it's more than 20.
Hold on. So here's what I'm thinking is happening now. I think there's $100 in this check. He is only trying to divide 50 and then gonna split it between two judges.
I think that's accurate, Judge.
You think that's
I
accurate?
do believe that to be
So
accurate.
where's the other 50?
I think he's trying to pay his rent and eat this month. So I think he want
Again, not my problem.
I think he want to keep that 50 for himself, Judge. So he can pay his other
Wow.
rent and eat.
So what if I took the 50? He
Yeah.
keeps the 25 he's gonna give me
Okay.
and eat less.
Okay. I mean, if he has to do that, I think he'll make that work, Judge. But he would
No, you're not gonna make me look bad. Like, oh, no.
whatever you
No, I know what you're doing. Then next time he shows up, and he starved the whole month of February.
he'll,
'Cause
he'll be thin, Judge. He'll be just with skin and bones. He'll eat ramen noodles up. Yeah.
So he's gonna pay $25 today.
Already paid that to you, Judge. Yes.
He already paid it?
Already paid that portion.
What about Judge Barr's money? You pay him?
Not yet, Judge. It's in his pocket.
On my way down there as soon as I leave here.
How many people here believe that? He gonna walk out of here, take the 25 along with the 50.
You wouldn't lie to the judge, would you?
Nope.
You're gonna do it, right?
Nope.
If you don't, he can put you in jail.
I don't know about that one.
All right,
But it's okay.
by 5 o'clock, and we'll check.
Okay.
They better be there or I'm gonna come.
I understand, Judge.
And then he's gonna pay $100
To you, to this court.
when?
On February 9th.
February 9th.
Yes, Judge.
And then how are we gonna get the rest of this paid?
When's the next payment after the 9th?
This is painfully.
I'm certified for 2 weeks. So I get paid twice a month.
You get what now?
Paid twice a month.
All right, young man, you pay the 100 on February 9th.
Then it'll be
And-
another
and
2
then-
weeks after that. I can come up here and try to pay.
That's the
Hey,
23rd.
What if I said this? What if I said, pay the $100 February 9th and then $100 every 9th of each month thereafter? Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Because you told me you would pay me by May 31st, 2025.
May, huh? You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
I think he's just saying that so he can get out of here.
I believe him.
You believe everybody. Give me an April. Hmm? Then I'll adjourn this. So you gotta make these payments. I'll adjourn this to April 8th, 2026, 9 a.m.
You understand, Mr. Bass?
So now if you got everything paid, so you can just pay everything up and then we're done. But what's gonna happen
I guess I'll be
if these
sitting.
payments aren't made on April 8th?
I'll be sitting behind your walls, I guess.
Sitting behind my walls?
Yeah.
What walls?
The county wall.
Oh, the ones that go through that door?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. All right.
But it's not gonna happen. He's gonna
What?
pay it.
What?
It's not gonna happen. He's
It's
pay
not
it.
gonna happen.
Yes. I
I
have faith.
believe you.
I have faith in Mr. Bass.
All right.
Don't make me
If
look
you don't do it, Mr. Bass, I'm gonna take you and Mr. Feaster.
I prefer not to.
I'm just saying. You're the one vouching.
I just have faith in my client, Judge.
I
But
understand.
not that.
you gave up on that ship really fast, didn't you? Court calls the case, People versus Jacob Hodge.
Torres, please, the first assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Jacob Hodge, who is not present, but I do know where he is.
You want to close that?
Called Mr. Hodge, we have on file, and I spoke to Amanda Smith, who is his girlfriend. She indicated that he is in jail in Wayne County until February 9th. I asked our clerk to check it in VineLink, and it appears to be accurate, Your Honor.
It appears to be accurate?
Yes, Judge. So I guess I'd be asking for a date after February 9th. For Mr.
I need a second sheet.
She also gave me a new address, which
I
I
need a second. Card check.
can provide to probation and Ms. Wilder.
What's my date? He's February 9th.
That's his next court date in Wayne County, which he expects to be released on that date.
What's my date in March 11th? I'll adjourn this to March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Donald Holloway. Whose case is it?
There's no.
Mr. Holloway?
Yes, Your Honor. How are you today?
All right. I'm doing well. How much do you have? I have you owing $1,137.68. The last
Yes.
time we were here back in 2025, you were to pay $20 per month beginning that June. Has he been making those payments?
I made a few payments after then, but now I got better news for you.
No, you
Okay.
Right. I became homeless since I talked to you, but I'm getting better now. But I want to pay my whole balance before the end of February. Now I ain't trying to do like everybody else that I just heard. I'm gonna take care of you, and I got another one I gotta take care of because I just ran into a few dollars. So I just pay my whole bill and be done with this so I can get my driver's license.
Okay, so if I put it out, you're gonna pay the balance by the end of February.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'll adjourn this out to March 11th, 2026, 9 a.m. Who's that talking in your ear?
That's my wife.
That's your wife? Hello.
That's my wife. So she gonna make
she's
sure.
The one telling, she's the one telling you you're gonna pay it.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Yep. She gonna make sure.
Okay. All right, ma'am. I believe you. I don't believe him. So
Oh,
I'll put
man.
it down. Okay. Just make
Okay.
sure he does it. She's
All
sick
right.
of driving
Thank
you
you.
around. That's what the problem
I
is.
know.
What?
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome. You guys take
Okay.
care of each other, please.
Okay.
We will.
All right. Thank you so much.
Court calls the case, People versus Tremaine Pender.
Torres, please, the first assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. Pender, who is approaching the podium. State your name, please.
Tremaine Pender.
Thank you, Judge. We had previously reached out to Mr. Pender and were unable to reach him. He obviously is here today. I spoke to him briefly in the hallway, and he indicated that he had not made a payment. I asked him why not. He said that he's self-employed as a landscaper and did not have the money, but did indicate that he can begin paying $50 per month.
Beginning when?
I get a monthly check, so I can start on the 3rd of every month.
So you get a check each month?
Yes.
But you get it on the 3rd?
Yes.
You say you can pay 50?
Yes, sir.
It's April what? 8th.
April 8th.
So defendant pay $50 per month beginning February 5th, 2026. I'll adjourn this matter to April 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
We do payments.
Thank you.
February 4th, 3rd, March 3rd. and then April.
Court calls the case of the people versus Danielle Rosenberg.
Ready, Judge? Tortial fees to first assistant public defender on behalf of Ms. Rosenberg, who appears to be present on Zoom. Please state your name for the record.
Danielle Rosenberg.
Thank you, Judge. We did reach out to Ms. Rosenberg on the phone number we have on file. We had not contacted her. It does appear that this is a show call for failure to pay. It looks like about $865. I do not know what her payment situation or status is, as we have not spoken. Unless she has some information to add, I'll be asking for an adjournment.
So I want to explain, I want to apologize. This warrant, I had a warrant in the system. I think it's still in the system from 2020. I am asking if that warrant can be removed from the system. And you give me 90 days to pay the 800 and some odd dollars. I'm in recovery court in Lenawee County. I've been sober for 2 years and 18 days. I have a job. I work 40 hours a week. I have been there employed for a year. I'm trying to get everything situated before I graduate in recovery court next month. So I just want all of my criminal, everything that I owe everybody. I owe like 4 different counties right now. And that is what I'm working on, is trying to get you guys all taken care of.
So I think we're requesting.
You're just trying to clean up the mess you created before
my
you
active
got
addiction.
yourself sober.
Yes, Your Honor.
Guess we're requesting a 90-day adjournment, please.
You're
Judge.
requesting a 90-day adjournment?
Yes, Judge.
Is that what you're requesting?
Yes, Judge. I think that's how long she said she would take the.
I know what she told me, but you're vouching for this defendant too?
I don't know.
You didn't
Ms.
even talk to
Rosenberg.
her.
I don't know her
She
yet,
just,
but she
I know
sounds.
you don't know her. But
She
she
sounds.
just, see, this is what I'm talking about, Feaster.
She sounds.
He
So
might come up there, you just say, yeah, I'm on their side.
She said she's been sober for 2 years and like 13 days.
And 18 days.
18 days. And she's
It's 18 days, not 13. See, I was listening.
Yes, I'm taking notes. I missed that. Sorry, but that's great. And she's working for over a year, 40 hours a week, and she's paying off all her.
And she's going to graduate from sobriety court next week
Yeah, I'm excited for her, Judge.
or next month.
Next month, February 15th.
I have some faith in her too, Judge.
No, you don't.
A little bit.
I have changed, I have changed my life.
Wow. He just turned on you?
I'll have more faith in 90 days when it's paid off, Judge.
I was writing a lot.
I could tell
Yeah. Does that worry you?
a little bit.
Rosenberg, here's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
I'm going to adjourn your matter to March 11th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Congratulations on your sobriety and your success in recovery court. What I'm going to do is this on your case, looking everything over. If you present proof of drug court graduation, I will consider on that March 11th, 2026 date, waiving everything except the state minimums of $125 to help you clean up all your mess.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Fair enough?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
We're very thankful, Judge. Thank you.
What?
We're very thankful for you doing that.
I did that for her because you didn't even talk to her.
But I got some.
That's okay, Ms. Rosenberg. We got you. Don't worry about it.
Good luck.
All right.
Thank you.
Take care. Which one? Court recalls the case, People versus Travion G.
Ready again, Judge Portia, please, the first assistant public defender on behalf of Mr. G. Mr. G, please state your name for the record.
Trayvon G.
Judge, it looks like this is a case like the last one. We reached out to Mr. G by the phone number we have in our file. We were not able to reach Mr. G. Phone number says subscriber not in service. Looks like we don't have any.
So you didn't go through the pre-SI with him at all?
No, Judge.
All right, Mr. G, you're gonna have to contact your attorneys so that
Okay.
you can go through the recommendation in this case. You hear me?
Yes, sir. I mean, I just received the email 2 days ago saying that Natalie was moving and she had my current number, but I don't know, I guess they don't have the right one in the system, but she had my current number that I'm on now. And that's how
All
she
right,
kept
we'll
in
get,
contact.
okay, make sure to contact them, get through to them. I'll adjourn this matter to February 11th.